Chapter 7 for Class 6, Getting to Know Plants. Plants with green and soft stem are called herbs. They do not have branches and short in size. The example of herbs are as follows. Shrubs have branches. The stem is hard but not very thick. Rose and tulsi are the example of shrubs. Plants have hard and thick stem are called trees. Trees are very tall and have branches. There are few examples of trees are as follows. Creepers are weak stemmed plant and spread horizontally. Pumpkin and watermelon are the example of creepers. Climbers are weak stemmed plants. They take support on neighboring structure. Pea and money plant are the examples. Stem is the part of the plant. It conducts water from roots to leaves and food from leaves to roots. Different parts of the leaf are petiole, lamina, veins and midrib. Petiole is the part of the leaf by which it is attached to the stem. Lamina, the broad green part of the leaf. Veins are the lines on the leaf, and midrib is thick vein in the middle of the leaf. The design made by veins in the leaf are called venation. Net-like design on both sides of midrib is called reticulate venation, and the veins are parallel to one another are called parallel venation. Function of leaves: transpiration and photosynthesis. The process in which water comes out of the leaves in the form of vapor is called transpiration. The process in which green leaves prepare their own food by using carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight is called photosynthesis. The main root is called taproot and the smaller roots are called lateral roots. The fibrous roots do not have any main root. Parts of flower are as follows. Prominent part of the open flower is called petals. A small leaf-like structure is called sepals. Innermost part of the flower is called pistil. There are three parts of this: stigma, style and ovary, and stamen is divided into anther and filament. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and